Looks like that got rid of them. Now for some tunes.
What's up, GoFam? You already know I'm out here. Look at my new bike. Say no. That's my man's bike. He finally out here. I mean, but we chilling. I'm about to go do a bike review on this. Should we do 2 bike reviews at the same time? 2019 bike reviews? Are you gonna talk? Cause I know he be on some bitch shit when people are around, and he'll be wanting to talk and all that. But you know what I mean? Are we about to go down to like this little? We about to go down to this little skate park. We gonna see if he'll talk. If not, I'm gonna do both. So my Fastripper didn't come with pegs, so I had pegs for my 2018 Fastripper. Max said they're gonna mess up my back frame and all that, but oh well. The only pegs I had. Max about to show me how to fix a peg and all that. It's like no, but yeah, finally got some pegs. So now after we do the bike review, talk about all that good stuff, and then we gonna, you know what I mean, come through like this. What is up, GoFam? So this is a bike review on the 2019 Beastmode. Oh my guys, Max, he didn't want to talk, so I'm gonna talk for both of them. And for my 2019 Fastripper. So the difference about the Fastripper is basically an Oneway with skinny wheels. Well, it's basically a big ripper with here, you know, the vice versa. But it's a lot of different shit on this. One, look at the rims. Come here. Look at these ones. They're like fixie rims, but they're like, I don't know, they're like weird shaped rims, but they're nice. I mean, come here, peep how fresh this shit is. On the Oneway, that shit is not like that at all. The pegs look a little crusty on it, but I don't care. But look at the hubs, like, just look at this whole bike. The seat, look at that. Damn, that thing crazy. What else? This is dope. It goes through the frame, both of them. But I don't know if my brake wire ever gets messed up or something, or if I get hydraulic brakes. I don't know how the heck I'm gonna change it. Shut up. All right, and something else different. The bottom bracket, all this shit. I don't know.
Outboard.
What was it?
Outboard.
See, that's why he should be talking. I don't know about this shit, but yeah, that thing's different. I think are the insides different too?
What?
The insides of it?
The bracket, like
yeah.
The bearing? No, it's just the same thing, but it's just wider. It protects it more from getting dirt in there.
All right, so basically, I'm gonna just say, all this is new, because no one opened it up yet to see if it wasn't new or not new. But all of it's new. Oh yeah, another dope thing. Just like how the Fastripper says wait, no, it says Fat Rippin'. This says Fast Rippin'. That's dope. And they got the flash joint. Wait, is that flash? Mm-hmm. And they got the flash joint on the seat. That's dope. That's dope. Oh yeah, I took off all the pads because I didn't like how they really looked on there. But everything's, you know, same brakes as on both bikes. On every bike that got disc brakes, all of them come with the same brakes and all that. The grips, I'm not gonna lie, these are dookie grips. They should at least put these grips on them, because these grips are slippery as fuck. Like you hear me say in my last video, I'm doing slippery. But this bike is dope. Now I got pegs. Now you definitely gonna see the smoke on them things. But yeah, this joint dope. He had some bum scene and reflex. But nah, these stickers are dope, I ain't gonna lie. Them joints are dope. Them are dope. He didn't want to talk about his bike. He over there smoking doobies and all that. That's what he'll rather do. But nah, this joint's dope. It's different from the other joint. It got the different color frame. This is like, what is that? Silver chromish? Oh yeah, that's my video, man. That video's on my shit. Oneway Zay, 2 Y's. But yeah, this joint dope. I ain't gonna lie. It got the same thing as like all the different. Damn, your bike dirty, but you know, you see the difference. If you can read that, yeah, you can read it. But you know, same brakes. Like I said, all of them got the same brakes. This seat's dope. Look at that. Last one had gold to it. Wait till my beast mode's done. That thing gonna be crazy. But the difference of this beast mode of this year, it comes with front brakes. Last year it didn't come with front brakes, right, Mac?
Yeah.
It did or
No,
didn't? Oh, they added something. Look, see? That's why you should be doing a bike review on your beast mode. But this bike's dope. I think the last one had that. Got new pads. He took off his pads too. But I hear thunder. My bike ain't getting rusty, bro. No, but I think all the stuff is the same basically. But not the same, but like the same as the Fastripper. Like the shit's that switch. But the Fastripper, whole different bike than any bike. So if you're looking to buy 2019, just like this one, just like that one, just like my Fastripper, go to rideoutsupply.com, use discount code OWC10, and if it don't rain, like how it looks like it is, then I'm gonna go get some traffic clips with all these young bulls and all that. And we'll right here. We gotta get these kids some bikes. Who wants to donate some money so we can, you know what I mean? Right? Tell them.
Yeah, donate me a bike.
Tell them.
Donate me a bike, know what I'm saying?
Why you got, you're fresh as hell. Why you on that though? Why you on
Be in the
boy?
bars.
Right, Nick? Tell him donate.
I
Fat
have a
Tweet said he need a bike.
Girl, I need a bike. I want to support my hustle. I need a bike. Come on, help me fix my
Oh yeah, he
door.
needs a bike.
I still get busy on it.
Kobe, he needs a bike. He got hit by a car. So he's on his friend's beast.
I mean, I'm still shopping a little bit.
I mean, his block flyer. What you say?
I'm still shopping a little bit. That distance anybody.
Dookie!
I'm over
Yo.
you, nigga. What you
Yo.
doing distance?
Oh yeah, the other day. Hold on, stop. He scratched my front rim.
No.
Scratched my rim. Okay. Bum rider. But he's on my joint right now because he broke his bike from being a bum. My chain looks loose. But fuck all this. I'm tired of talking. I'm about to go.
Block.
Huh? What you be about?
About to go catch some blocks.
Fuck the blocks. We got miles. But nah, if it don't, well, it's definitely about to rain. But hopefully we can go get some clips. Even in here, try to get some clips.
Should make my own door white and pink. You fat as fuck. See, white and pink. White and pink.
That was messed up. Oh. Nah.
But let me know if I should make my bike white and pink or white
He
and
keeps
red.
talking about trying to make it a beast mode door up.
Yeah, beast mode door. That joint. You nobody got that joint. That shit gonna be shut.
We can't get no clips. Hopefully it stops. Look at this though. Look at this. Hold up. It don't say rain. 10 o'clock. Let's see down here. Oh shit. But right now it says cloudy, but it says 50%. That's drawing. You can't get no clips. And we under this little ass bridge, but look how much feet we got under here. You just sound like you got flat, but hopefully I can get some clips because I'm trying to upload this video tonight.
Wait, man,
Going back.
that lightning.
You saw this? Probably saw that lightning strike. Yeah, it's thunder. Even if I don't get no clips, the bike review is still going up. I don't care. Without clips or with clips. So.
Looks like that got rid of them. Now for some tunes.
Wow. You can smoke like a wood, not no Lucy. Only snakes that I fuck with is Gucci. Understand that these bitches be groupies. I was split up, ain't talking no juvie. 990, yeah, that be the newbie. Been dead at these niggas is newbies. You get wet, a little bro got a Uzi. When she see me, I wet up with Coochie. Show me up, she unbuckled a Louis. Ay. My mind don't need focus on racks. Up in demons, no, I'm not a sex. Like I'm saying, I stay with a sex. And you know that should be some pack. Sippin' hot take unless you got egg. Sippin' hot take unless you got egg. Dead, so that bitch don't got no time. Too busy out on my grind. The money that's all on my mind. She callin', I'm hitting decline. I tell that little bitch I can't love her, can't cover. I fuck her, then rob all her brothers. Ay, they can have your mama, throw her in the dumpster. These shells, yeah, they hotter than summer. Yeah, these shells, they be hotter than summer. And I know that's your bitch, you love her. We be fucking that shit undercover. And I'm strapped up, I keep me a rubber. All them drugs, they get flipped, ayy. Fell in love with a drip, ayy. Tryna hit me a lick, ayy. Diamonds dance on my wrist, ayy. Diamond dance on my wrist, ayy. Pull up on you, you get hit, ayy. I put your bitch at the rip, ayy. All of these bout like a sensei. Nigga, you know what it is, ayy. We hip hop where you live, ayy. You can get hit with a sick, ayy. Put a hoe right in your wig, no kids, ayy. We out ain't doing no biz, ayy. We out ain't doing no biz, ayy. No, I don't fuck with the pigs, ayy. No, nigga, you ain't my kin, ayy. Smoking on gas in the mid, ayy. You can smoke like a wood, not no Lucy. Only snakes that I fuck with is Gucci. Understand that these bitches be groupies. I was split up, ain't talking no juvie. 990, yeah, that be.
Alright, go fam. So I already got clips on my bike now. So now I'm about to get clips on Max Beast Mode. We're at Payne's right now. Basically parking lot pimping. I got traffic clips on that. Fuck. My man Kobe videoing me right now because my cameraman left. But Mac and all wanted to come charge his phone at Payne's. And it's like, let me check the time. What time was it when Max said 8:20 something or?
Yeah, right.
It was 8 something.
Like that.
But I want to get this video uploaded by 10 p.m. So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just get clips here for now. Can't do shit there because I hate parking lots and it's wet as fuck. So me and Kobe, we taking Max's bike and Kobe's on my Fastripper. So we about to go get some clips.
Mickey on the track.
Damn. Woo. Honcho. Damn. Skirt. Got a gang on him too. Ayy, ayy, ayy. Damn, y'all nigga chasing the bag, it ain't about the bag, stop calling my phone. I told that little bitch, like, get off my line, like, little bitch, just leave me alone. You say it's a problem, then knock on my hitters, they running right up in your home. These niggas be stealing my shit, they stealing my drip, these niggas be clones. I'm in the trenches, cops coming out jumping fences, I don't got time for a sentence. Do you a witness? I heard you really be bitching, talking to 12, you be snitching. They be strapped down, we never back down. Glock 30 shit got him limping, smoking on backwards, you already know that I'm lifted. Pull up that nigga, we with it, bitch ain't lying. Shit was just all on my dick. Now you tryna say I ain't hit it. Really don't get it. Fucking ain't worried about bitches. I'm tryna run out these digits. Niggas be minions. Don't give a fuck about opinions. Running the streets, I be sending. Young niggas winning. JB's lying as tennis. Same niggas since the beginning. Wait, I'm in the hood with the trap niggas. Please don't compare me to rap niggas. Hey, if for some beef, I won't add niggas. I'ma catch them in traffic and smack niggas. I run out the bed like you saying. I be kicking shit like I'm Luke Kane. Get you in just for saying my name. Bitch, I'm on the Johnny right now, switching lanes. Bro, my cousin, he play with the pot. I'm just tryna give me a knot. You said you was savage, you not. You might fuck around and get popped. Just got off the phone, my pop. He told me to stay off the block, but at least I don't talk to the cops. Lil' bro might put one in the eye. And the thotties out of line. I'ma get the money, bottom line. Little bitch trying me, my mom. Told that bitch.
Alright, go fam. I got the clips that I could on this. The brakes, like, 1 minute they feel like where they like should be, like where they're chilling. Then sometimes they're just sharp as hell. I don't know why. But Mac, you gotta fix your brakes. Get them like mine, buddy boy. But this is the end of the vlog. Hope you guys get a 2019. I got 2 and I'm about to get another one. A lot of people are like, damn, you're lucky. No, I worked very hard for many years though, I ain't gonna lie. But Go Fam, thanks for watching. Even if you're not part of Go Fam, go be a part of it now. Go cop up on some merch. Fearless Go to Pier on Instagram. Link is always in the description also. And please subscribe. My Instagram, Oneway_Corey. I always post clips and all that good stuff on there. So go follow and subscribe. Go Fam, we out.